Welcome to Downshift, and this is the all-new Yamaha MT-15.
Of the MT line of motorcycles, the refined yet powerful engine from the R15, the futuristic headlamp, the compact dimensions, single piece seat, simple yet functional grab rails, LED tail lamp showing you where its inspiration comes from, with the instrument cluster showing you all the information you need while you're out on the road. Which begs the question, is this really an all-new motorcycle or just an R15 with no fairing on it? It's time to find out.
With the engine having a significant technology called variable valve actuation, which adjusts the valve timing, valve duration and the valve lift, giving you the best performance yet best economy at all times. How does it work on the road? Well, it's time to find out.
With the ergonomics being perfect to attack the urban jungle. Yet, one can lock your knees and carve out corners with confidence. Its short wheelbase coupled with the chunky 41mm forks perimeter frame leaving you with a front end which is extremely communicative, yet well damped so that you roll over potholes with ease.
With the MT being a whole 6 kgs lighter than the R15, overall making it a lighter and more peppier motorcycle to ride, delivering you a fuel economy of 40 to 45 kilometers per litre.
But before the final verdict, it's time to thank the good folks at Pratik Motors who have been kind enough to lend us the vehicle. They are the largest dealer of the brand Yamaha in the state. If you want the exact location, it's in the description. Interestingly, the position of the horn and the side light switch has been interchanged, which takes some time getting used to.
Heat dissipation from the liquid cooling is excellent. Very little amount of heat comes onto your legs. The mirrors could have been placed better.
And then there's the monoshock, which even with the preload pumped to the max, does move around a fair bit.
If you ask me, it's more of a compliment than a flaw, helping the MT-15 strike a good balance between ride quality and carving corners. Well, we all understand that Yamaha have gone a bit overboard with the pricing. But look at it this way, for that premium price, you do get that premium hardware. With Yamaha's unquestionable reliability, the MT-15 with its single channel ABS, quirky looks and neat piece of technology like the variable valve actuation does make it worthy of its price. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe, because we have some great motoring action coming your way very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.